Everyone, this is Mr. Peter of the Pip Magnet Financials. Well, I want to bring to us this opportunity, more especially the top secret on how you can unlock your ET token guarantee. Few months ago, this particular um, exchange came up with their airdrop for people to engage. Actually, I shared the updates to some persons in my group, and some took action while some did not. Fine. One thing about life is when opportunity comes in, you just jump in as if you don't know what's going to happen at the next time, but you just have to like do it with the mind of taking a risk. But moreover, you have nothing to lose because it's free. Airdrops are free tokens. Okay, so right now they launched on the 30th of September, a few days ago also, and the way this token has been moving, it has skyrocketed from initial $1. I want to show us the price from initial $1 to, can we just look at what I'm going to show us? This is it. Initial $1 to $28.77 as at this time I am making this video, and it's projected to hit um $50 or 300 because the all-time high was $100. So it's we are hoping it gets there also. So right now, if you've not actually engaged in this opportunity, don't waste time. Go ahead and actually get involved. In the description of this video, you're going to see the link. Go ahead, click the link, and what you sign up. It's free for now. But when they came up some months ago, they were giving about 10 ET. As soon as you register, they give you 10 ET, and the value of the 10 ET then is just $10. But now it has skyrocketed. One ET is 28 US dollars. So guys, right now they're not giving up to 10 ET again, but 5 ET. So that's how Binance started. The BNB coin you're seeing today, 2017, it came up. They actually gave a drop. Some people engaged. Today, we all know the rest are history. As of last year, 2021, BNB rose to about 500 US dollar per coin. You know what that means? Okay, so guys, this is an opportunity because very soon the unlucky process will be more unlucky process will be coming up. But the secret I want to give us today, like I said, if you know you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be bringing so many opportunities, more especially on this ET unlocking, because many persons have gotten it. Now, let me just show us what I have right now on my dashboard. Now, look at what I have acquired so far. So, let me show us. Okay, for those that are seeing it, this is about 7,300 US dollars right now. That's the value of ET I've acquired so far. So, guys, it's not too late. If you can sign up today, with the link you're seeing below, go ahead and sign up. You never can tell what will happen. So, but referral is not compulsory, but for you to really get more ETs, because as it stands, I don't think because it's free. I don't think you want to spend money in buying the ET for now, because it's about $29. So why don't you get it? Then gradually, you know what's happening. You've gotten enough. If this token gets to $100, back to their all-time high, and you're having like 10 ETs, what are you having there? You're having 1,000 US dollars just like that. That's how BNB started as the Binance coin. Today, those that actually got it far back are really happy that they actually took action. So this is the time for you to take action, guys. So now, the secret I want to also release now is how you can actually unlock this. Fine and good. Because of they have the new rules and they have the old rules. So let's work on the new rules for you to unlock your tokens so that you can actually make withdrawal. When you sign up for free, you're being given a token. So your job now is to see how you can, because you can't withdraw those tokens. Your job now is for you to see how you can refer, invite your friends and family, tell them about, use your referral link, send to them, and also encourage them to do what? Engage in trades. The only way you can right now get this thing out is engage in trade. Fund your account as if you're using Binance. We all know how Binance works. Okay, it's also an exchange where you can buy and sell P2P and rate, but you can actually buy USDT from Binance, send it to your ET exchange, and do some trades. You can engage in futures trades. Okay, so but for those that are going to sign up with my link, I'm telling you, I'm going to give tutorials. Immediately you sign up, send me a message on my WhatsApp, and I'm going to do what? Give you tutorial on how you can actually place trade on futures and how you can navigate this platform. Okay, because if you can see, look at how the market has gone. This it has moved. It's even $29 right now. We can all see it. This is live. I am doing this live video for all to see. Okay, this is $29 right now. Okay, this $29 for those that want to see it. Okay, this is it. This 29 US dollars. So guys, this is an opportunity. We're having just few months to the end of this year. Why don't you use this and make some funds? It is free to get involved. Then your job is to do what? Fund your account and start doing some few trades. As you start trading, it unlocks your ETs for withdrawal at any time. So when you want to make withdrawal, you withdraw to you sell to USDT, then from USDT to your Binance, and you withdraw. If all these processes are too difficult for you, first of all, use the link below to sign up. Then send me a message that you've signed up using my link. Okay, then I'm going to guide you on how you can make the best out of this opportunity. It's only for those that will sign up via my link that I'm going to carry by the hand and see how they can make profit from this system. Okay, so guys, don't waste time. Go right now in the description box. You're going to see the link. Go ahead and click on the link, and more especially, send me a WhatsApp message. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, it's the first time, go ahead, because more information on this particular token will be released. Thank you, and God bless you all.